in Hindu religion. But do you know that there are some special signs that are found during worship that show that God Himself is present in front of you and is trying to get your attention? If you wish to know what these signs are, then stay with us till the end of this video, because today we are going to talk about the signs that show that God is speaking to you and is with you. Hello and welcome to the Divine Tales English. We all know that in most of the houses, a special place is made for the worship of God, and every day God is worshipped and the people of the house asks for the happiness of themselves and their families. But when someone worships God, during that time, sometimes God gives special signs through His divine powers to that person. The meaning of these gestures is very deep and they happen only with some blessed special people. So let us know about those special signs of God. It is said that when we worship God, a divine energy is automatically created around us. It is this energy which is a way to connect us and our God. And if this energy is radiated from your true faith, then it gets connected with divine energy. In such a situation, some special event happens with us. Suppose when you are worshipping God with a sincere heart and suddenly at the same time during the worship, a monk or a beggar comes to your door and instead of asking for something, the name of God is loudly chanted at your door by them, then understand that God is standing at your door. It is said that one should not make the mistake of thinking of him as a beggar or a monk and donate some second-hand things. Instead, one should welcome them with folded hands and donate as much as they can, because this donation increases virtue and one receives special grace from God. The next sign that is talked about is that if one is doing aarti and at the same time the flame starts getting ignited very fast, then it is a sign that there is presence of God there. It is also said that the sign of God's appearance is received from incense sticks. Think of it as if you're worshipping with incense sticks, and during this time, the smoke of incense stick takes a special shape, or rather, the shape of some god, or Om, or something like that. The change of smoke in the shape of a special shape shows that God is pleased with you, and His energy is present around you. The next sign is that when we are worshipping in the temple of our house or anywhere and we keep flower in front of the idol and suddenly the flower falls towards us downwards, the fall of the flower also makes it clear that God has mercy on you and is pleased with your devotion. Apart from this, during the worship of God, before lighting the incense stick, it is also an auspicious sign to spread its fragrance in the whole house. While reciting, if someone comes to your house with money or gift, it is also considered a good sign that God has given you blessings. Also, it might be happening with many of you that when you worship God, suddenly you feel overwhelmed and tears start rolling down your eyes. This is also considered an auspicious sign that God is seeking your attention and is direct contact with you. What do you think of these signs? How much do you believe in that? Do let us know in the comments section below. Hope you liked our today's video. If you did, then give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Also, do not forget to subscribe to our channel, The Divine Tales English, for more such videos. Do visit our Facebook page for everyday posts and stories. We will soon be back with another video. Until then, take care and be happy.